Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very prominent disease of cardiovascular system known as Buerger's disease. What is Buerger's disease? Buerger's disease is often referred as thromboangiitis obliterans. Although it is a rare disease with a combination of inflammation and thrombosis of arteries and veins, there is an obstruction in the blood vessel which reduces the blood supply to the tissue which is followed. It also causes pain and destruction of the tissue which is getting devoid of the blood. Sometimes it also leads to ulceration and gangrene of fingers and toes. Rarely in advanced stages, it may affect vessels in other parts of the body. Although this disease stays confined to hands and feet, but in extremes of cases, it is seen that this may affect other parts of the body too. So, what is Buerger's disease? How do you define it? It's a rare inflammatory and disease of arteries associated with thrombosis, which leads into occlusion of blood vessel like arteries and vein, so that the blood doesn't move beyond that particular point of inflammation and thrombus enlargement. It can cause skin ulceration and also destruction of tissue. This is how it appears. As you can see, there are certain areas where this has occurred. So the tissue has following that particular area has undergone gangrene. The ulceration and gangrene can be seen by Buerger's disease. An approximation of its epidemiology: 6 out of every 10,000 people on earth are affected by this, and almost always it affects males. So there are very rare chances of uh, yeah, females getting this affection, but it almost always affects men who are aging between 20 to 40 years of age, who smoke and chew tobacco. Recently, it has been seen that men and women who age more than 50 are diagnosed with Buerger's disease. It is more commonly seen in the Southeast Asia, India, Middle East, but it is rare among Africans and Americans. And also, it is very much uncommon to see this disease in children. So, what are the symptoms that are associated with it? First is enlarged red tender cord-like vein. Pain or tenderness may be present on the affected area. Numbness and tingling in the limb beyond the point of obstruction. Skin ulcers and gangrene of the digits, that is the most distal part of the arm and legs would get affected. Discoloration is seen as that there is a tissue destruction. Two or more limbs may be affected, like both hands and one leg, or both legs and one hand. You may find such combinations. Pain may increase with activity such as walking and decrease with rest as the supply or the demand for blood increases by physical activity. So, thus the pain will increase with the physical activity. Pulse may be decreased or absent in the affected extremity as there is some obstruction in the arteries. So, that will also affect the pulse. Symptoms may worsen with exposure to cold or with emotional stress. So again, both of these conditions leads into vasoconstriction, and that may lead further into worsening of symptoms. Now, what is the cause? It is usually associated with heavy to moderate tobacco use, both in smoking and chewing of tobacco. It is actually an autoimmune response to the tobacco that is being inhaled or chewed. So you can say Buerger's disease is an autoimmune disease. This is an angiogram. You can see the normal hand and the one which is suffering from Buerger's disease. Here you can see in the first normal one, all the arterial supply to the hand is intact, whereas the other angiogram, you can see there is an obstruction, and due to the obstruction, the hand is not getting sufficient amount of blood. Prevention. How do you prevent Buerger's disease? In order to avoid the onset of Buerger's disease, tobacco use should be avoided, particularly by males. So, if a person suffering from Buerger's disease, then you should ask that person to immediately stop using tobacco. Prognosis. The symptoms of Buerger's disease may disappear if tobacco use is stopped. If the affected extremity is to be saved, the patient must stop smoking immediately. If an infection or gangrene occur, amputation of affected extremity may be necessary. So once the gangrene develops, you need to amputate that particular extremity above the point where the gangrene has started. So this picture is actually this person was suffering from Buerger's disease and he got his arm amputated. This is a hilarious picture. One of his friend made him a cigarette holder from the coat hanger wire. Although his arm got amputated, but still this person needs to smoke. So this is how devastating this disease could be.